Chapter 7, Introducing Scratch 3.0. Learning Outcomes. At the end of this chapter, students will be able to start the Scratch application. Note different components of Scratch 3.0 window. Draw shapes in Scratch. Warm up. Decode the color bar and write the answer in the given spaces. Teacher's note. Apprise students that we use language to communicate with our friends and family. In the same way, computers also use the particular languages to understand our instructions, which are called as programming language. Hello friends, do you know the name of the language which computer understands? What would you do to make the computer understand your instructions? While communicating with other people, we always keep in mind that he/she should know the language we are using to communicate. Have you ever thought, how do we communicate with a computer? Any commands we may give to a computer in English or any other language are unknown to it. It requires a different set of languages to understand the instructions. The languages the computer understands are called programming languages, and Scratch is one of them. For beginners, Scratch is an excellent visual programming language. We can create interactive narratives, games, and animations. We can give instructions to the computer using visual blocks. Do you know? A program in Scratch is saved as a project. Let us now discover some fascinating features of Scratch. Features of Scratch. Scratch is freely available on the web. The cartoon mascot of Scratch is a cat. For a story, we can design our characters. It can run well on various operating systems including Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Our favorite characters can be used to create games and animations. We can share our stories and games made using Scratch on the web. Let us start Scratch 3.0. Follow the given steps to run the Scratch. Steps 1. Click on the Start button. 2. Click the Scratch application and its window opens. Components of Scratch 3.0. The following are the components of the Scratch window. 1. Title bar. The title of the project you made is shown here. 2. Menu bar. The menu bar has a variety of menus and icons including file, edit, tutorials, etc. Remember it! A script is also called a program. 3. Script area. Script area is where you add blocks to write the script for a sprite. 4. Sprite. It is a tiny graphic that roams on the stage independently. By including blocks to the script, we can control the sprite. A new project begins by default with the cat sprite. 5. Stage area. The area where sprite moves independently. 6. New sprite buttons. We can create new sprite using these. Let me answer. What is the other name for a script? 7. Blocks palette. Blocks for programming are found here. Drag the blocks to the script area from the block palette. 8. Add extension button. Use the Scratch extension button to add blocks like the music block and pen block and have more functionality. Drawing shapes in Scratch. Scratch 3.0 allows you to draw various shapes by stacking blocks one over another. Follow the given steps to draw a cycle in Scratch 3.0. Steps 1. Click on the Add Extensions button. The pen blocks will then be added to the block menu. 2. Choose the block from the pen block menu. 3. Drag the block from the pen block menu. 4. Select the motion block menu and select these two blocks. Place these two in order as shown in the picture 7.5. Let me answer. Is a circle 2D or 3D shape? 5. Repeat the direction 3 times given in step 4. 6. Click on the block stack in the script area or the button. You will have a circle drawn by the sprite. Kids IQ. Sagar wants to move the sprite by 10 steps. He forgot how to do the same. Suggest him the way to accomplish the task. Let's recall. Scratch is freely available on the web. The only language a computer can understand is a programming language. Scratch is an excellent visual programming language where we can create interactive narratives, games, and animations. The script is a step-by-step instruction that a sprite follows. Blocks palette contain blocks for programming. The default mascot of Scratch is a cat. Upskill your intelligence. A. Fill in the blanks. 1. Dash is an excellent visual programming language. Answer: Scratch. 2. Instruction can be given to the computer using dash blocks. Answer: Visual. 3. Scratch is freely available on the dash. Answer: Web. 4. Dash bar shows the title of the project. Answer: Title bar. 5. Dash one over another. Answer: Blocks. B. Answer the following questions. 1. What is Scratch? Answer: Scratch is an excellent visual programming language where we can create interactive narratives, games, and animations. 2. Write down 4 features of Scratch. Answer: Features of Scratch. Scratch is freely available on the web. The cartoon mascot of Scratch is a cat. For a story, we can design our characters. It can run well on various operating systems including Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. 3. What is the use of the menu bar? Answer: The menu bar has a variety of menus and icons including file, edit, tutorials, and etc. 4. What is the use of blocks palette? Answer: Blocks for programming are found here. Drag the blocks to the script area from the block palette. 5. Write the steps to open the Scratch application. Answer: The steps to run the Scratch. Steps: 1. Click on the Start button. 2. Click on the Scratch application and its window opens. C. Write T for true statements and F for false statements. 1. A computer understands only programming language. Answer: True. 2. A script is also called a sprite. Answer: False. 3. A new project begins by default with the rabbit sprite. Answer: False. 4. We can create new sprites using new sprite buttons. Answer: True. 5. Sprite performs action on stage. Answer: True. D. Identify and name the components of the 3D Paint window. Answer: Do it yourself. E. Tick the correct answers. 1. Dash is the area where sprite moves independently. A. Sprite. B. Script. C. Stage. D. Menu. Answer: C. Stage. 2. The cartoon mascot of Scratch is a dash. A. Rat. B. penguin. C. Bird. D. Cat. Answer D. Cat. 3. We share our games made using Scratch on the dash. A. Window. B. Web. C. Computer. D. Website. Answer B. Web. 4. A tiny graphic that roams around the stage on its own. A. Spirit. B. Spite. C. Sprite. D. None of these. Answer C. Sprite. 5. The first step to draw a circle in Scratch 3.0. A. Add extensions. B. Select pen down. C. Select pen size. D. Select on the block stack. Answer A. Add extensions. Critical thinking. A. Rearrange the following words to find some components of the Scratch 3.0 window. 1. Blocks. 2. Extensions. 3. Script. 4. Title. 5. Stage. B. Number the first 3 steps in order to draw any shape in Scratch 3.0. Answer. Drag the set pen size to one block from the pen block menu. Click on the Add Extension button. The pen blocks will then be added to the block menu. Choose the pen down block from the pen block menu. Team work. Work in pairs. Draw the following shapes in Scratch 3.0. Answer. Do it yourself.